Hey women, imagine your guy waking up each morning with you because the first thing on his mind is texting you. Simply because he misses you and choosing you over the rest of the world every unmarried day. Sounds super, right? Most women think it's about seeming or good fortune. But the truth is, the women who maintain men absolutely obsessed use 3 easy, however powerful secrets and techniques. Stick around due to the fact I'm about to show all 3. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and activate notifications so you don't miss dating recommendations that virtually work. Today we're speaking about the 3 secrets and techniques clever ladies use to make their men emotionally addicted in the healthiest, happiest manner. These aren't tricks or video games. They're verified approaches to build deep connections and unbreakable attraction. Let's dive in. Secret number 1, be his biggest supporter. The first secret is to become his biggest cheerleader. Men are stressed to feel fulfilled when they understand they're prevailing at existence. And nothing makes a man more obsessed than a female who believes in him more than anyone else. Celebrate his wins, large and small. When he receives a promotion, throw a touch party. When he fixes something across the residence, tell him he's your hero. And most importantly, stand by him for the duration of difficult instances. When he's confused or doubting himself, remind him of his strengths. Say things like, "I know you'll figure this out. You always do." When a man feels genuinely supported, he starts seeing you as his safe region, his teammate, his rock. He won't just love you, he'll need you in his corner. That's when he becomes obsessed. Secret number 2, keep the spark alive. Secret number 2, never let the excitement die. A lot of relationships fade because the playful energy disappears. Women who maintain guys obsessed recognize a way to keep the spark burning brilliantly. Flirt with him as if you're still dating. Send a playful text in the course of the day. Tease him a little. Walk past him and give him that look that says, "later." Show appreciation for the things he does. Inform him how attractive he seems when he's focused, or how much you love the way he makes you chortle, and don't be afraid to initiate intimacy. Surprise him. Keep matters freshly and amusing. When you maintain that butterflies in the belly feeling alive, he won't even think about searching somewhere else. The excitement he feels with you becomes something he craves every day. Secret number 3, communicate with empathy. The third and most powerful secret, master empathic communication. Men stay obsessed with women who make them feel deeply understood without drama. Share your emotions frivolously and virtually. Use "I feel" statements in place of blame. Listen to him actively. Put your phone down, look him in the eyes, and clearly pay attention to what he's saying. When there's a conflict, focus on fixing it together in preference of winning the argument. Say things like, "I want us both to be okay with this. How can we fix it?" This builds unbreakable trust. He'll open up more, depend on you more, and feel emotional security. Something most men hardly ever experience. When a man feels this level of emotional connection, leaving you becomes unthinkable. So there you have it, the 3 secrets women use to maintain guys absolutely obsessed. Be his largest supporter, keep the spark alive, and communicate with empathy. Put those into practice and watch how he looks at you change for all time. Which secret are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more real dating recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.